Hello, all. Welcome to the lecture series Environment and Biodiversity number 5. In this, we discuss about freshwater ecosystem. In the previous session, we discussed the terrestrial ecosystem. Now we can go with the freshwater ecosystem. Yep. The water ecosystem is of two types. One is freshwater ecosystem, and another is marine ecosystem, which holds the salt water. A pond is a ecosystem, is a community of organisms that live in a pond. A pond is an ecosystem because a pond is an ecosystem which have some community of living organisms. The pond is a freshwater ecosystem, and we can consider river is also in a freshwater ecosystem where their biotic things are classified into producers, consumers, decomposers. The producers, we know that by photosynthesis, they can prepare their own food, and consumers depends upon the producers, and decomposers depends upon the deleterious material. And the freshwater ecosystem not only belongs to the pond, that is an example, and as a whole, we can give it as an aquatic ecosystem, which includes lake, ponds, rivers, streams, springs, swamps, and wetlands. And on the other hand, the salt water, which holds in the sea, generally the geographical terminology we use marine ecosystem. A marine ecosystem are the largest of Earth's aquatic ecosystem, exist in waters that have a high salt content. The marine ecosystem is characterized by the biological community of the organism that they are associated with and their physical environment. Important source of the ecosystem services and food and jobs for the significant portion of the global population. In deep sea, the carbonate mound communities, the cold water coral reefs, coral gardens, deep sea sponge aggregation, seamoon communities is found in the deep sea. So the deep sea has a high potential. So there is a need to improve the capacity to monitor the deep sea, and the cost of new technologies and the limited ability to share data in a timely and efficient manner across sectors are the barriers to further understanding. So, a deep sea holds a lot of mineral resources, and we need to develop technology which can extract those things. And there is also another one, which is a man made ecosystem. We call it as artificial ecosystem. That is, the ecosystem refers to man-made environment, the tree plantation, urban landscape like natural parks, which is created in the urban areas, rice paddy croplands, and the managed ponds, and the ponds which are designated to be a mimic natural ecosystem that may have a lower species diversity under altered social conditions, soil conditions. And we can give you the best example that is first tropic model of a large-scale artificial ecosystem has been organized in China, where this ecosystem possesses a great amount of reverse resource energy, showing that it is a system that can support unpredictable disturbances. And this particular ecosystem primarily improves the health of that region and which holds a biological conservation around those areas. So an ecosystem is having a high potential advantages to maintain the nature of the earth. So it is our duty to prevent these types of ecosystem like terrestrial, freshwater, and artificial. So to conclude, the ecosystem is of several types. One is terrestrial, and another one is water ecosystem. The water ecosystem can be classified as freshwater and water. The third one is an artificial ecosystem, which is a mimic of the natural. Thank you.